Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can trade futures on your MetaTrader 5. To make sure to trade futures, you need a real account on your MetaTrader 5, and to create a real account you just have to go into your MetaTrader 5 app. And now after the app opens up, you just have to go into the messages which is on the bottom right side of your screen, and from here on now just register your account and you can create a real account on your MetaTrader 5. And after creating a real account on your MetaTrader 5, you just have to go on to trades, which will be a different section where now you can trade futures, that is real money on real time on the world. And that's how you can trade futures on your MetaTrader 5. This was for this video, and I hope you guys the information of our video is helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.